Are you tired of old theories and ready for groundbreaking discoveries? Introducing the incredible John Baptista von Helmont and his revolutionary experiment. Hi there, I'm Jean Baptista von Helmont, and I'm about to blow your mind with my groundbreaking theory of spontaneous generation. You ready to witness scientific history in action? It's so simple anyone can do it. Just grab a sweaty shirt, some wheat, and place them all inside our specially designed dusty box. But wait, there's more. Call within the next 10 minutes and use the promo code DISCOVERY to receive not one, but 2 dusty boxes for the price of one. And now the moment of truth. After 21 days of anticipation, let's see if my theory of spontaneous generation has been proven. Oh my goodness, would you look at that? Our dusty box is teeming with life. Mice everywhere. But don't just take our word for it. Call the number on your screen right now and order your very own spontaneous generation. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call the number on your screen now and take the first step towards unlocking the secrets of the universe. But remember, this exclusive offer won't last forever. Be one of the lucky few to experience the wonders of spontaneous generation firsthand.